እንዴት ናችሁ የኦልራውንድ ቤተሰቦች? ከብዙ ጊዜ ቆይታ በኋላ ተመልሰን መጥተናል። እንግዲህ የመንግስት ሰራተኞች የሲኦሲ ፈተና የብቃት ምዘናው በእንግሊዘኛ ነው እየተባለው መረጃዎች እየደረሱ ነው። ለዛሬው 20 ጥያቄዎች በእንግሊዘኛ አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄዳለን። አብረን እናያቸው እስኪ ጥያቄዎቹን። የመጀመሪያ ፓርት 1 ላይ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ የሚሆነው what is the primary difference between leadership and management ይላል። A management is about vision, leadership is about execution. B leadership focuses on influencing people, management focuses on process and system. C management is for senior official, leadership is for team leader. D there is no functional difference a civil service context in leadership and management ይላል። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ የሚሆነው ጥያቄው እንዳነበባችሁት ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ መልስ ቢ ይሆናል። question number 2 የሁለተኛው ጥያቄ question number 2 in the context of the ministry what does strategic thinking involve? What does strategic thinking involve? A anticipating future trends and aligning department goals with national labor policy. B focusing strictly on daily administrative tasks. C memorizing all civil service proclamations. D delegating all decision making on subordinates ይላል። የሁለተኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በኤ ላይ የተቀመጠው anticipating future trends and aligning department goals with national labor policy የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወደ ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ ስንሄድ question number 3 which leadership style is most effective when a team leader needs to build consensus among diverse experts? A autocratic, B laissez-faire, C democratic or participative, D ትራንዛክሽናል ይላል። በዚህ ጥያቄ መሰረት የሶስተኛው መልስ የሚሆነው በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠ ዲሞክራቲክ ኦር ፓርቲሲፔቲቭ የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 4 smart goals are essential for department planning. What does the R stand for? A reasonable, B reliable, C relevant, D rigid ይላል። አር የሚያመለክተው ሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው አራተኛው መልስ በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው ሪሌቫንት የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 5 when a team leader delegates a task they transfer blank but retain blank. A authority responsibility, B responsibility authority, C power accountability, D ታስክ አውቶሪቲ። የዚህ ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው የአምስተኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በኤ ላይ የተቀመጠው አውቶሪቲ ኤንድ ሪስፖንሲቢሊቲ የሚለው they transfer authority but retain responsibility. question number 6 what is the first step in the decision making process for a coordinator? What is the first step in the decision making process for a coordinator? A implementing the solution, B evaluating alternatives, C identifying the problem or opportunity, D consulting with the minister ይላል። ስድስተኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው identifying the problem or opportunity የሚለው የመጀመሪያው ፕሮሰሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። question number 7 a transformational leader in the civil service who is one. A transformational leader in the civil service who is one. A maintains the status quo at all cost. Maintain the status quo at all cost. B focuses on rewards and punishment. C inspire employs to transactional self-interest for the organizational goal. D. Only follows written instruction from superior. Only follows written instruction from superior ይላል። ሰባተኛው ጥያቄ መልሳችን የሚሆነው በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው inspire employees to transit self-interest for the organizational goal የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወደ ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ እንሄዳለን። Question number 8. Which of the following is a barrier to effective delegation? Barrier to effective delegation. A. Trusting subordinates' capability. B. Fear that the subordinate will perform better than the leader. C. Clear communication of expectations. D. Adequate resource allocation ይላል። የስምንተኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው ፌር that the subordinate will perform better than the leader የሚለው መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የስምንተኛው ጥያቄ ወደ ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ ስንሄድ ኦኬ ከዛ በፊት መልሱ ላይ ቲክ እያደረገን እንሂድ። question number 2 the answer is A. question number 3 the answer is C. question number 4 relevant. question number 5 A. question number 6 C. Identifying the problem. question number 7 C. Inspire employees to transfer in self-interest of the organizational goal. question number 8 ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ ላይ ነው። question number 8 which of the following is a barrier to effective delegation? A. Trusting subordinate capability. B. Fear that the subordinate will perform better than the leader. C. Clear communication of expectation. D. Adequate resource allocation ይላል። ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ the answer is B. Fear that the subordinate will perform better than the leader የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 9 in team dynamics the storming stage is characterized by high productivity and harmony. B. Initial orientation and politeness. C. Conflict and competition as individual personality emerge. Conflict and competition as individual personality emerge. C. D. The dissolution of the team after task completion. question number 9 answer is C. Conflict the competition as individual personality emerge የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 10 emotional intelligence for a leader includes emotional intelligence for a leader includes A. suppressing all emotions in the workplace. Suppressing all emotions in the workplace. Hearing only people with similar personalities. C. Using emotions to manipulate team members. D. The ability to recognize and manage one's own and others' emotion. question number 10 the answer is D. The ability to recognize and manage one's own and other emotions የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 11 11ኛው ጥያቄ what is change management in the government ministry? change government. A. Replacing all old employees with new ones. B. A structured approach to transitions individuals and teams to desired future state. C. Avoiding any changes to current labor laws. D. ዲ changing the office layout every year ይላል። question number 11 answer is B, a structured approach to transitioning individual and teams to a desired future state የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። question number 12 the Pareto Principles 2080 rules suggests that for a coordinator A 80% of result comes from 20% of effort or activity. B 80% of work should be done by the leader. C 20% of employees are useless. D 80% of budget should be spent on salary. Question number 12 answer is A 80% of result come from 20% of activity የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 13 what is the primary purpose of SWOT analysis? The primary excuse me. Question number 13. What is the primary purpose of a SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis. A. To discipline staff. B. To identify internal strengths, weakness, and external opportunity or threats. C. To calculate the annual budget. D. To write a job description. Question number 13. Answer is B. To identify internal strengths, weakness, and external opportunity or threats የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። question number 14 effective time management for a team leader involves effective time management for a team leader involves A. working for 50 hours a day. B. doing the easiest task first. C. prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. D. refusing to attend any meeting ይላል 14ኛው ጥያቄያችን። የ14ኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው prioritizing task based on urgency and importance የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 15 what is active listening? What is active listening? A. hearing what someone says while working on a computer. B. recording a conversation without the other person knowing. C. waiting for the other person to stop talking so you can speak. D. fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said ይላል የ15ኛው ጥያቄ። የ15ኛው ጥያቄ መልሳችን የሚሆነው በዲ ላይ የተቀመጠው fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 16 a coordinator's span of control refers to A. the number of subordinates a supervisor can efficiently and effectively manage. A number of subordinates a supervisor can efficiently and effectively manage. B. the geographic area the ministry covers. C. the amount of money a leader can spend. D. the duration of a leader's contracts ይላል። የ16ኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በኤ ላይ የተቀመጠው a number of subordinates a supervisor can efficiently and effectively manage የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 17 which of the following is an intrinsic motivator? intrinsic ውስጣዊ መነሳሳት። a monthly salary bonus, b a sense of accomplishment from solving a complex labor issue, c a formal letter of warning, d a parking spot close to the entrance ይላል። የ17ኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው a sense of accomplishment from solving a complex labor issue የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 17 answer is B. question number 18 organizational culture is best defined as organizational culture. A the physical building of the ministry, b the set of rules written in the employee handbook, c the shared value, beliefs and norms that influence how employees behave, d the diverse ethnic background of the staff ይላል። የ18ኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በሲ ላይ የተቀመጠው the shared value, beliefs and norms that influence how employees behave የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 19 what is macromanagement? A managing a very small team, b a management style where a leader closely observes and controls the work of subordinates, c managing a small amount of money, d using microscope for data analysis ይላል። የ19ኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው a management style where a leader closely observes and controls the work of subordinates የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው።